So next one, puzzles. One should not put together jigsaw puzzle in any size on Shabbos, since one forms picture by combining the pieces, for sure. Right? There was like a random, in some sense, random pieces, and now we put it together. Now it's a beautiful, beautiful picture. So for sure, it's like somebody's drawn the picture, right? Okay. Concerning children playing with puzzles, see Children in Halacha, page 140. Okay, that's a different book. Okay, section D. Playing games with letters and numbers that are used. Sorry. So first example, of course, the most popular game is Scrabble. Right? Playing Scrabble does not violate the prohibition on writing, since one merely arranges letters that are printed on the blocks. So as just to remind us, last time we said, if it's a molded letter, without any background, it would be forbidden to attach them together. But if it's on a background, on a block, so meaning that the two letters do not attach, so there is no problem. Okay, no blocks. Nevertheless, it is forbidden to play the game on Shabbos, since Scrabble player usually write down the score. And it is forbidden to engage in any activity that usually involves writing, lest one inadvertently write. So our sages added, of course it says that you're not allowed to write, but our sages forbade us all of the activity that might lead to writing. It's not writing, but it might lead to writing. As a Scrabble, so usually people write the scores. I played Scrabble a few times in my life, but like some of them, like 40 points, 2 points, 7 points, all of that. Okay. So I mean, to keep in mind like how many, even count that everybody would remember their score. I think it's too much. I don't think it's possible. Right. So that's why they say don't play this Scrabble on Shabbos. Okay. Not because of the letters, but because it might lead to writing the score. Next one, number 2, dominoes. It is permitted to play the dominoes, since the arrangement of the block does not constitute writing, and the dominoes players do not commonly write down the score. Okay, so there are some domino games that you do write the score. There's they play in pairs. This pair against that pair. Okay. All these crazy things. So I think there is like a different score. Somebody explained to me. I know it was too much, but it's for sure it's not simple. It's not like the domino that we play when we were children. Like whoever wins, whoever finishes. It's not. It was much more complicated, right? So they would write the score, but simple dominoes. Nobody, people don't write, and plus again it's on a blocks, so the letters the numbers do not attach. Okay. So next one, and it's very interesting. It's number 3, magnetic writing boards. Right. It is forbidden to arrange magnetized molded letters on a metal board. Right, metal board. It is also forbidden to draw picture on a board that you use magnetic dust. So before magnetic dust, so you have magnetic boards like usually for kids we have, right, and you have magnetic letters to attach to one another. That's how they write. That's how they spell the words. So that's absolutely forbidden, right? Usually they mold it for sure. Have I ever seen that it's not molded? I mean, I think that it would take too much space, and children in this age, they usually it's they maybe 4 or 5 years old, right? They already can spell some words, so they need bigger space basically. So they for sure they all molded. Okay. So next one, it is forbidden to draw. To draw a picture on boards that I use magnetized dust, right? That's a problem. Magnetized dust. For example, each a sketch, magna doodle. Okay, right. So because it was like a surface, right? So completely with the dust, and then he tried like to move this pointer, and it's like create a picture, like clear line, right? For sure, like that's how you can write, that's how you can draw, right? It's forbidden. This applies whether the magnetic dust is moved by handheld instrument like magnet doodle, or by metallic piece that is controlled by the knobs, like in each sketch. I mean, yeah, it does not matter. Same idea, right?